How to fix Outlook Exchange error 800900016, trusted platform module has malfunctioned. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. We recommend starting with a troubleshooter that can detect and sometimes repair issues related to Windows apps. If that didn't work, outdated Windows versions can sometimes be the root of such issues. Ensure your Windows version is up to date. Since the issue stems from corruption in the NGC folder, resetting it might solve the problem. The NGC folder holds all the data related to the PIN. Resetting it can help re-establish the PIN configuration correctly. Locate the NGC folder and rename it to ngc.old. Restart your computer. Windows will recreate the NGC folder on startup. The Trusted Platform Module, TPM, is a hardware component used for security functions, and sometimes, clearing it can resolve this issue. Remember, this step may affect the functioning of applications that depend on TPM.